This is not just your regular dessert. This 5-layer cheesecake will impress your Thanksgiving guests for sure. So without further ado, let's get started. To make the crust, add graham cookie crumbs to a bowl and combine it with brown sugar and melted butter. Stir it until everything is evenly combined. Now let's bring in a springform pan. I like to grease it with oil or melted butter and line it with a parchment paper round. Then let's fill in the cookie crumbs and press it down. Don't forget to make about 1 inch high sides for the pecan filling so it does not leak. When it is all pressed nicely, bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now let's make the pecan pie filling. For that we're gonna add dark brown sugar, corn syrup to give it structure, melted butter for extra richness, eggs at room temperature, and vanilla to enhance the flavor. Whisk it until it is smooth. Just like this. You don't even need to use a hand mixer. Then add pieces of pecans and stir them in with a spatula. When they're nicely coated, let's fill the mixture on top. Make sure to smooth it out until it is completely even. Now chill it for about 20 to 30 minutes. For the cheesecake batter, we're gonna use a big mixing bowl. Add softened cream cheese, flour, which gives it a nice stabilization, and some pumpkin spice for more flavor. Start mixing it. Always use a low setting on your mixer when making cheesecake to avoid too many air bubbles. When it is nice and creamy, let's add brown sugar, sour cream for extra tanginess, pumpkin puree to make it a pumpkin cheesecake, and vanilla extract. Just cream it until it is smooth. Then mix in eggs. And when it is all combined, add evaporated milk to make it creamier. When it is smooth like this, let's bring in the crust. If the pecan filling is still soft, make sure to pour the cheesecake batter slowly. When it is completely filled up, smooth out the top of the cheesecake batter with a spatula. Before it goes into the oven, make sure to use a water bath to avoid any cracks or uneven baking. For that I use a bigger baking pan and just fill it up with hot water. And it is ready to bake. While the cake is in the oven, let's make the sour cream topping. For that, combine sour cream, sugar, and vanilla. And let's cream it until it is smooth like this. Then set it aside. And when the cheesecake has baked fully, top it with the sour cream mixture while it is still warm. Smooth it into one layer and put it back into the oven without a water bath. Once the cheesecake is fully chilled, you can decorate it however you want. I went with a layer of dulce de leche because most of my family members love it. Make sure you cover the whole surface, and it's easier spreadable if you warm it in the microwave for a few seconds. And as a last touch, add candied pecans all around the top. I think this pecan pumpkin cheesecake will be perfect for Thanksgiving or Christmas to show off your baking skills. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below for questions and feedback. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Happy baking! Bye!